So welcome back to the Daily Drift, everybody. Today, we're putting this puppy in. We know we're shit. Yeah. Thanks for watching the Daily Drift.
So good news is we think we fixed the lens. I think the lens itself is okay. I think it was just the filter that shattered.
So we'll see. Let's put it on and see how it looks. Okay, so good news is I think the lens is okay. We'll find out what this looks like when we get done today. But Austin's under the car right now, and he's putting up the engine mounts. So we got these nice little suckers going in. Like basically a hard plastic is basically what they are. Yeah.
Howdy.
All right, everybody, so it's that time. We're finally gonna put the engine and trans in. Austin's working on getting it jacked up, and then we're gonna slap it in. Before we actually put in the solid trans mounts in the back, we're gonna try to hook up the shifter linkage. Somebody told us about it. They said basically you can tilt it slightly before putting the cross member up. So we're gonna try it out, see if it works. Other than that, we're just gonna throw this thing in. Enjoy.
Should we both try to lift it?
I have an idea that's even better.
Leverage?
Yeah. Ready?
Yep.
Nope. There we go. Leverage. My best friend.
Need to go higher?
Yeah, now we can start jacking it up. Now we can get it up in the air. Woo! I'll get under there with the jack. Get the jack stand on there. Now, I can't guarantee it's not gonna fall off of this thing, so we just gotta be careful and keep our hands clear.
The damn can floating around is driving me nuts.
Is this making a difference?
Yes, it's bringing it down like it should.
Here, I'll come up there.
Yeah, you'll see. Like one side is just about to go on pretty much.
If we get the one on, when you go to lower it, the engine's gonna rotate. It's like right there. Lower it more. Okay, there. Okay.
Lower?
Very little. Is it lowering at all? Okay, right there, right there. That one's on.
And this one is about to go on, look. Want me to lower it?
A little bit, yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Lowering.
Ooh. Okay. Well, it's on there. So we got this sucker in here. Austin's working on the getting the thing on there. I can't think what it's called.
Washer?
Washer, the washer. That's going on. We got this one on lightly, and then we're gonna try to like tilt the transmission a little bit and see if I can get this little clip on there. If I can get this on there easier, it'll make my life easy, and maybe if you do it, it'll make your life easy too. So right now I'm gonna clip this bitch in. Should be able to just pop in there a little bit easier now, because I can actually get my arm in here. It's a tight fit. So that didn't work, so I guess we're gonna have to just try to get the cross member up and then pop it through, because it's just not lining up right. So it's worth a shot. It might be easier to do that when you go to take it out, but putting it in, different story. Okay, so I'm working on putting up the cross member right now. It's nothing complicated, just a couple bolts, but we gotta get this up before we can go ahead and put the whatchamacallit back on there.
Trans mounts?
Yeah, the trans mounts. That's it. That's the word I was looking for. Oh, that ain't right. I think that's backwards. I need to flip that sucker around. Yeah, that looks right. Okay. Had it on backwards there for a second. Whew. Okay, so there's that. Time to put these buttes on. Need to jack it up a little. Oops, I just smacked the camera. Well, this camera's just getting abused. Let's see if that gives me enough clearance. Hey, got that on there. I don't know why they make these things white. They just end up black by the time you're done with them. It's like the whole reason why I would never get a white shirt for, like, if we ever do merch. We wouldn't do white because what's the point? It's just gonna get dirty. I guess we could do white shirts if we ever decide to do, like, for like if we go to a car show or something, then we could wear nice white shirts, you know? What do you think, Austin?
I like white shirts.
Yeah, I think they look nice. It's just they're not good for working on cars. That's the problem. Oh. Problem. Jason der Hosen. You know what that means?
Jason der Hosen?
Yeah.
Shit in your pants?
Yeah, I shit the pants or whatever. Oh, son of a bitch. Oh man, where'd my socket go? Did it pop off too? Mother trucker. This is the kind of stuff always happening when I'm trying to do stuff. It's not designed for people like us. I got too much shoulder. There we go. Okay, it's tight. The valence that covers the air conditioner? What are you talking about? Oh shit, we forgot to put the heat shield on the engine mount. Fuck. So because we got in a hurry, we forgot to put the heat shield over the engine mount on the passenger side. So now we have to redo this. Yay.
Well, this was black until Purple Power got a hold of it and a wire brush. But this is our heat shield for the passenger side. Yeah, passenger side engine mount. So let's
Nice.
put it down.
Since we already got it on there and now we got to redo it.
But the
Oh,
only thing
well.
I'm worried about is, look, it's got a little tab in it.
Uh-huh.
There's no tab in the top of the Durlin.
Yeah, we'll just bend the tab out.
That's what I was gonna say. Okie dokie.
Still clear over here.
I don't want to put too much pressure on the other bolt. Oh, there we go. I think I'm off. Yes, I am.
Okay.
So angle it towards, like that, towards the headers and stuff.
Yeah, towards the headers.
Okay. So now I'm gonna try to lower.
I'll get out and help.
Yeah, because I'm gonna need you to hold it towards me.
Oh, jack it up a little. I think what we might have to do is loosen that that nut on that side. Is it bolted
That's
down?
hand tightened. Oh, we're all the way off now.
That's fine. Not a big deal. Last time we got this set up, so jack it up a little. Aha. Okay, so lower slowly.
Here we go. Lowering.
Okay, I got this in. This end's on. Let's line that one up. There it goes. Okay.
Nice.
We're on. Woo! So after a long day of struggling with this engine, we finally managed to get it in there. This thing took us forever. It's been a lot of work. It's been a ton of time. Seems like everything we do, we always end up screwing things up just a little bit. So when it comes to working on cars, you have to expect that things aren't going to go according to plan. I mean, we had to install this engine twice just to get it in. Sometimes it's just how things go. Well guys, we got the engine and trans in, everything's mounted up. I still got to hook up the differential and a bunch of little things. We've got like 2 days to the next event. So we're making progress, and I can't tell you how good it feels just to have this thing sitting in the car again. It actually feels like it's going to be a car again. This has been so much work, and I can't even begin to describe just how I'm feeling right now having this thing sitting here after all these months of just grinding and trying to get this thing done. It feels really good to have this thing on here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed this build with me. We're nowhere near done. We still have a lot to do. We're going to weld the diff. We're going to do some more bushings and suspension, control arm swaps. We got a lot planned for this car, but first things first, we just want to get this baby running. So I hope you guys will stick around, and I'll be sure to catch you in the next one. Just remember, keep it nice and easy. So basically, I wrote up this nice big long list of things that we need to get done, and this is what we have to do today. So I'm about to do something I don't normally do, and I'm skipping the gym to finish this car because I don't want there to be any excuses to why we don't make it. If we don't make it, it's not going to be because of lack of trying. Right?
Amen, brother.
So stay tuned, everyone, because in this next episode, things are going to get a little bit crazy. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button.